What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark. I'm back with another video. I just got back from Houston. I had a good weekend, guys. It was fun. It was amazing. I made a couple of sales while I was gone, and it was just a fun adventure, guys. It was a fun trip. I enjoyed it, but now it's back to the basics, which is making money online. So in this video, I will be giving you guys the secret source and the secret piece that could put your business together that can help you make more money online. Now, before I do that, make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in making money every single day from your smartphone or your computer. Jump into it. Now, the first thing that you will need, guys, is an email list. All right, you will need an email list to help you become successful, and I'm going to explain to you exactly why you need an email list. I'm going to break it down to you and show you exactly how you can build your email list and why it's important. So the first thing, guys, is that you need to understand a capture page. Okay, this is what a capture page looks like. You never want to send your leads, or if you have an affiliate offer or any type of business that you're running online, you always want to capture the leads. The company I promote right now is Newbies on Fire, also $25.1Up. They both come with done for you websites. You don't have to make any of these capture pages. They're already made for you. Always be something giving away value. Okay, we'll always be giving away value, whether it's a free book, whether it's free training, whether it's how to make money online. With my opportunity, we're giving away a free video explaining to them exactly what it is that we're doing. Once they put their name and their email in, you will start building you a list, an email list. So this is the blueprint, guys, of what I use, and every business owner use. Any big business that you could think of, always ask for your email. And I'm going to explain why, and I'm going to show you the methods that I use to help my online business reach success as well. And I know other people use this method, because without this method, you will not be successful. Once they put their name and their email in the capture page, you will start building an email list. Okay, now with this email list, what you can do is send out multiple emails a day or a week. It just allows you to put it on autopilot. First email could be an affiliate offer. You can do this however you want. This is just some examples. Like the first email could be an affiliate offer. The second could be an offer. The third one could be some type of free training. You always want to give, some type of training in your email so they know exactly what it is that they're doing. You can put your YouTube videos in here. Always give back some type of value inside these emails, because your email list is what's going to make you money. So you have a total of 500 people in your email list. You could send out an email of a push of a button, and 500 people can go to your YouTube video, could go to your training, could go to your offer, and you could make more sales. So you make more sales the bigger your list is, because it's the more people you can get your point across to, the more people you can share your offer. I went with the companies that I'm with because we're global. Anybody could do it from anywhere, could join me in business. So let's just go to now with Newbies on Fire. This is why I love Newbies on Fire, guys. It builds an email list for you. Like all of these are leads. All of these are leads. Now what I could do with these leads is just basically email them, call them, text them, just help them get started. Like I told you guys, send out value inside of these type of emails. It builds an email list for me. You could use the email list builder inside of Newbies on Fire, or you could do what I do. I choose to go with Aweber. Okay, Aweber is an email marketing platform that allows you to put your emails on autopilot. So while I'm out doing what I do, shopping, going on trips, or sleeping, whatever I'm doing, it can still generate me money, because my emails are going while I'm doing whatever it is I like to do. As you can see here is some type of follow-up sequence that I made. Basically you can see when You can see when it sent out. So this is immediately. Once somebody put in their information into one of my leads, my capture pages, this email sends out immediately. Now my next email sends out 2 days after, and this one sends out 1 day after, 1 day, 2 days, 1 day, 1 day. Okay, so the reason why I did this pattern is because I was noticing the more you send emails out every single day, the more unsubscribers you'll get. You need these follow-up emails, but you have to have some type of space in between, so they might see it one day, and then they might want to join, and they forget about it. All right, and then 2 days later, they get another email. Oh yeah, I forgot about this, and they go ahead and sign up. Now, if you send them every single day, you know, some people might get annoyed, like, hey man, I'm tired of seeing this, and they'll unsubscribe, or they're just not interested and they'll unsubscribe. So the email sequence will just keep going and going. So whoever still subscribed will see these emails, and those are quality leads. So the people that left, you don't need those people. Don't get mad if you see unsubscribers, guys. Unsubscribers are good. Keep marketing to the people that want this type of information, that want these emails. They have the choice to leave or stay. Okay, so these send out on autopilot. Once again, as I'm doing what I do, I will put the link below to Aweber if you want to get started with Aweber. If you want to put your emails on autopilot, it's easy, it's simple, and all you have to do is make simple emails, copy and paste emails that you'll get once you join my team. And that's simple. All you need is an email list. Once you grow the email list larger and larger and larger and larger, that's you have multiple people you can send out offers to. Let's just say I send offers for the first week of Newbies on Fire. Nobody joins. The next week I can do $25.1Up. Those people might like the $25.1Up opportunity way more than Newbies on Fire. So they get started with $25.1Up. Or if they don't like $25.1Up, I can send them another one of my businesses. You have a large audience that you could just, promote to. That's basically what an email list is. So without an email list, you will not make money. So you need an email list builder. And once again, $25.1Up and Newbies on Fire has a built-in email list builder inside. But I personally use Aweber. I connect it to my Done For You websites, connect those emails, and put my emails on autopilot. The next video, guys, I will be going over how to create an Aweber account, how to set everything up, how to start a sequence of emails. So make sure you stay tuned. This is part 1 of email list training. Part 2, I will go into detail on how to create your account. But I will put the link below to Aweber. Go ahead, create your account. It's free for 30 days. And on the next video, if you need help, basically setting everything up, I will be making a video on how to set everything up when it comes to building your email list. But if you like this content, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video, click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I drop a video. Other than that, I'm out.